Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to answer a very common question a lot of people who are starting online have, and this is: I'm ready to start my online business, I have saved some money, but I don't know where to start. Okay, and this is a very common question a lot of people who want to start online, who want to start a new journey, okay, to venture in something new, have. Okay, they probably have the budget, but they don't know what are the next steps they need to take in order to, go in the right direction. And this is something that happens to many of us. And the best advice I can give you based on my experience is to invest in yourself. Okay, invest in books, invest in courses, invest in a mentor who, has more experience than you, who has some success in the area that you want to venture in, and follow that guidance. Okay, in books you are going to learn a lot. In courses you are going to learn a lot as well. And if you get a mentor, you are going to, take huge steps into where you want to go. And when starting online, when venturing into a new journey, there are mainly two paths that you can take. You can either learn and try everything yourself by trial and error, or you can learn from people who have already succeeded, from people who are where you want to be. Okay, those are the two options that you have. And I want to share with you a story related to this topic. Okay, so when I started online 3 years ago, I tried to venture into e-commerce. Okay, and for that, I bought a program. Okay, and I was also reading books and watching YouTube tutorials. And that was, I thought that was everything I needed to succeed in that specific area. And of course, from what I did, I learned a lot, but I made tons of mistakes and waste a lot of money that I could have saved. So once I had my store set up on Shopify, the next thing that I will do, or that I had to do, was to send traffic to my store. And of course, if you have a website, if you have a store, but you are not able to send traffic, you are not going to make any sales. So you need to drive traffic, and for that I wanted to do Facebook ads. But of course, if you don't know how to run Facebook ads the right way, if you don't know how to optimize your campaigns, do retargeting, have a funnel in place, have a sales process, you are going to lose a lot of money. And that's something that happened to me. Okay, I thought that, just following some YouTube tutorials, I was going to be able to create my Facebook ad campaign and make money right away. That was not as simple as it sounds. I was able to, launch my campaigns, send traffic, and I made a couple sales, which was a huge success for me, but I was losing a lot of money. So after realizing that I was not profitable, that I was wasting a lot of money on ads, that I was not building my assets, I was not building my email list, I realized that I needed help, that I needed guidance from someone who had more experience than me, who could show me the right path, who could show me where to go, what to do, guidance from someone who was willing to share his ideas, guidance from someone who could help me with a proven sales process, with a proven system that can work for me as well. From guidance from someone who could change my mindset, okay, help me have that long-term vision. Guidance from someone who could give me a simple, actionable plan that works. Okay, I needed that guidance, I felt it, and I knew that I needed to find a mentor, because with what I was doing, of course, I was learning, I was, making a lot of mistakes, learning from that, but I was not getting the results I wanted. But I knew that I have that in my inner self, that motivation, that if I had the right guidance, I was going to be able to get better results. Okay, and I had this experience in my tennis career. I was without a coach for 2 years, and even though I was, practicing, getting some results, winning some matches, I knew that I needed, if I wanted to take my tennis to the next level, I was going to need a coach, coach to guide me. Okay, and I felt the same thing in my online business, and that's why last year I decided to get a mentor. Okay, get the help from someone that had more experience than me, that can guide me, applying the same thing that happened to me in tennis, but for my online journey, for my online business. And so far I've been able to have more success. I've gotten more sales. I've been able to improve my own service, my online business. So I'm really happy that I took this decision of getting a mentor. And just to finish the video, the best advice that I can give you is to invest in yourself. It doesn't matter if it's in books, courses, mentors. It's important that you invest in yourself, that you are continuously improving, that you are continuously learning, because at the end of the day, that is what is going to help you. And of course, if you think that a mentor is something that can help you move or take that exponential growth in your business, I want to invite you to check out in the link in the description the sales page of my mentor Sebastian Gomez. You can watch the video in there, and if you see that he can help your business in a better way, to schedule an appointment for free with him and his team. I know that they can help you as they have helped me. So if you don't know where to start, my best recommendation is to invest in yourself. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's a mentor, it's in books, in courses. What matters is that you invest in yourself, that you are continuously learning, continuously taking action, learning. That's what is going to help you. But in my experience, what is really going to make the difference, what is going to set you apart from the crowd and help you get the goals that you want, is to get the guidance from someone that is already where you want to be. That's everything I have for you guys today. Hope you find this video valuable, and if you're looking to start your online journey or improve the journey you currently have, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training that I set up on my website with my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where you're going to learn about affiliate marketing, content creation, funnels, email marketing. There is a lot of valuable information in this 4-day training. Is completely free, and if you feel that you need more help, that you need the right guidance, a proven system, a proven actionable plan, I want to also invite you to schedule an appointment with Sebastian and our team, so that we can help you in a deeper level and set you up for success. Remember, it's all about taking action, continuously learning in books, in courses, with a mentor. So the option is there. I will leave the link in the description, and with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making this happen, and I'll see you in the next one.